So the plan now is to go into town. We're going to Hungary tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I need to get a vignette, purchase it online, and then you're gonna go busking at some point.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet man! Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. The past few days have been difficult to sleep just because we have to get used to it not being so quiet when we sleep at night. On Friday and Saturday night, you know, people are out having fun late, so that would keep us up. And then like today we were woken up by the lawn maintenance dudes, which is fine. Yeah, it's been hard to get sleep lately, so I'm just like really tired. But anyways, first thing you do when we get up, no matter what time it is we go use the toilets here. And it's really nice at Lake Yarrow because they have like nice bathrooms, at least on this part. Brush our teeth, use the toilet. Kuba's still there shaving. And then when we come back to the van, the routine is that I like tidy up the van. I make the bed, put away our dirty laundry, and just organize the place because in the morning the van's always a mess because like we have our stuff everywhere. So I try to start the day off by like keeping it all organized and clean, and then I just feel a lot better if it's like that. So I'm just gonna get to work on making the bed right now. Yeah, because this is such a small space that if you let it go for like a day, it's just gonna be a mess. So I just have to organize everything now. So at night I'm always like charging all of my stuff, so I have to like wrap up all the cables. I tend to just leave my stuff along the edge of the bed because there's plenty of room there. And I store a lot of my little odds and ends things. Oh yeah, we have this lighter too. In this little GoPro bin. I guess this lighter can go in our kitchen drawer. That's what it's used for gas stoves. Lots of cables here. So I have to charge like the GoPro, camera batteries, laptop, phone, everything at night. That's good to go. I guess I'll keep my laptop here, my phone out. That can stay there. This hat stores my GoPro when I'm not using it. Extra socks too. So now it's time to make the bed. So on top of this blanket, we also put this other blanket. And this is just so when we're chilling in the van, like debris from our feet and whatever isn't getting onto our other blanket, just to keep it cleaner. And this is good if it's colder too. So now I'll just put all my bathroom stuff away. And so all of this stuff is gonna go in our hygiene drawer here. We've been trying out this new toothpaste. It's mint and green tea. It's all natural, cruelty-free, vegan. It's really nice. We got it from Bio and Bio. I could post a link in the video description if you're curious about it. I like it better than the tooth powder. I think Kuba still prefers a tooth powder, but we just wanted to try something different. And then also, this is a new product I'm trying too. It's a natural mouthwash. I actually like the taste, and you just need a tiny bit. We also got this at Bio and Bio too. Really nice. Just trying some different dental hygiene stuff. Floss. Toothbrush. I put toothbrush in this pocket. Like this. Oh yeah, my glasses case. Yeah, it's nice having toilets here because then we don't have to use much water in the van. So I use one washcloth a night to like bathe myself in the van using our sink and water here. So I like to hang up the latest washcloth on our line up here to make sure it's fully dry before I put it into our laundry bag. I'm showing what I do in the morning to clean up.
Oh, okay.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Sure.
And my shirt too.
In the dirty clothes bin.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't like how it's like squeezed under there. Maybe it can go on top. Drying your towel. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have this extra towel because we just share a towel, like a big towel. And then I use this little towel just for like drying my face in the bathroom. So this towel is like more than enough for both of us to use. This thing, well, this is for doing dishes?
Yes.
Okay. And this is just our floor towel. For when we like bathe, I guess. Almost everything is put away. I'll probably have to put shorts on soon.
Yeah, because it might be warmer. Mm-hmm. Like every morning we go through those steps pretty much to keep the van tidy.
Yeah, otherwise it turns into a mess.
Yeah, as it tends to do really quickly.
Yeah. So our breakfast today, peanut butter ice cream. We went back to the shop. And we also bought some bread. That's delicious. Mm-hmm. This is the same brand as the one we found in Split. This is from Spar. Man, we can't escape the grass cutting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it seems like they're cutting grass all the time.
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty soft already.
Maybe the freezer wasn't set to like really low temperature.
Yeah, I feel like this one has a better texture. Maybe it has more fat in it or something, I don't know. Mmm. So we're looking to get something to build me a little laptop desk.
Table, yeah.
Table for the van. Oh, it's like moving the whole table.
Yeah, I would have to screw this down. We have screws. This is not a big deal because I'll just put the screw through here. Down there, that will hold it.
Okay.
So that's not a big deal. Can you try it?
Sure. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. It'd probably be better if I was like more in, you know?
Because if I screw it in, that's not gonna move at all. Because we can push this right back to the end there.
Oh, I see.
So it's not that big of a lever too.
Yeah, that'll be better, I think, if it's all the way in. I'll have to get something for my feet. I guess this is better than me just sitting cross-legged in the van.
I could put it like this. That'll be fine too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just have to screw this top on.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to this tire place that the mechanic recommended, see if we can get new tires for the front, and then we can actually move on from here. Don't have to hang around too much longer. Oh, here we go. Okay.
So they have tires.
Okay.
They will fit it, and we're only paying like 1,000 kuna.
Okay.
For 2 tires and fitting.
Okay. So when is it happening?
Now.
Oh, okay.
You just have to park on the other side.
Oh, okay.
And then they will call us to.
Oh, cool. That was fast.
Yeah, that was pretty quick.
Oh yeah, they look nice.
They're actually winter tires.
Oh, they are?
It's only a few more months.
Okay.
Look good.
So they're winter though?
Yeah, they're winter. I asked for normal ones.
Okay.
I guess it's not that long till winter, so.
Oh, we found a spot.
That's sweet.
Yeah, because I was about to be like, yeah, the negative of having a vehicle is that you have to like look for parking. So those ticket machines are updated so you can only pay using the phone app. And so we downloaded the app, but you have to preload money into the app to use it. And since we only wanted to use it today, it would be a waste of money for us to do that. So now we're just driving out looking for another place to park that wouldn't have those updated machines. But that took us a long time, or you a long time to figure out.
Yeah, trying to figure it out.
And it still doesn't work, so yeah, it's just frustrating today.
I think it's just the machines, they're new and they're not like set up properly or something.
Yeah.
Because they're supposed to take coins and cards and everything, but it's just not working.
Yeah, so we don't know what's up. I'll just give you all the change.
This one doesn't work at all.
Okay.
Doesn't even light up.
Why don't we just abandon going into town today and we can just do it tomorrow and take a tram in.
Okay.
So let's just go get food or something and go back to the lake.
Okay. Yeah, and we can even buy the vignette at the lake too.
Yeah. I was just hoping we could just go into town quickly, but I guess not. Yeah, in Lake Yarun, we've had to pay anywhere from like 5 kuna, 10 kuna, to 75 kuna a day, depending on who's working the little ticket stand. So we'll see how much we have to pay today. The past, because like you have to pay every time you enter the complex. So the past 2 times we had to pay 5 and then 10. So we'll see about today. It'd be cool to not have to pay 75, but you never know what they're gonna charge you.
Yeah,
exactly. So Double done. Voila.
Voila.
Sweet, it was the 5 kuna dude today. Nice. And the cheapest option is to enter the complex once and then leave the van while you use trams to go visit the city. That's what we did before.
Yeah, because you're not paying for a day, you're paying for entry.
Yeah. So as long as you pay once you're in, then you're fine. So, yeah. New desk. Cool. And it's removable. Thank you. A familiar scene. So the plan now is to buy the Hungary vignette later on Wi-Fi, and then not go to Hungary tomorrow, but the next day maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So tomorrow we can print it out.
Yeah, go into town one last time. So soon we will be in Hungary. Thank you. Massive sandwich. Looks good.
Tastes good. It's huge.
Yum. Perfect.